Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add media to Google Slides and do some basic image adjustments. When you're in Google Slides and you want to insert media, go to the Insert tab or menu at the top, click on Insert, and you'll see you have a bunch of different choices. Images, text box, audio, video, shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, word art, align, all sorts of different things that you can add. I'm going to show you how to add audio and video in a separate tutorial. So in this one I'm going to add an image and then use that image to show you how to do image adjustments. So I'm going to add an image by searching the web, and let's look for cats. So I'll insert that. Alright, and notice there's these little square sprites on the corners and edges. You can use that to resize or rescale the image. If you want to rotate the image, you can grab this little circular sprite up here and rotate the image. If you click on Format Options, a menu opens up on the right hand side of the screen. You can change the size, rotation, position, the color, other adjustments like say transparency, brightness, and contrast. You can add a drop shadow to give it like a three-dimensional effect, and you can have it reflect in some direction one way or another. So you can play with that when you add your own images. One of the things you're going to want to know how to do is if you double click on the image, you'll see these little black bars in the corners and on the sides. This is how you crop the image in Google Docs and Slides. All right, so I don't need all of this extra space over here. I don't need all of this space down here. And all right, so now that is the image that I have. It's cropped. It only has the part of the image that I want. And that might be useful for making sure that you maintain enough space on the slide for the other content you want to add. And that is how you make image adjustments and add media to Google Slides.